Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new part for the 77 to 79 trucks and Broncos. A high wear and easily damaged part, the fuel filler door may be twisted, bent, or rusted on your vehicle. Dennis Carpenter now offers the direct bolt-on replacement filler door for these classic vehicles. Featuring a high-quality stamped steel door, it comes complete with the hinge and is EDP coated to protect against rust and corrosion prior to installation. It fits either the front or rear fuel door, whether you have a single or dual tank. So don't repair your beat-up original door, save both time and money and replace it with a new one from Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.